This video will cover installation of the iSupe mobile application for iPhone and walk through some common use cases. We'll begin by opening up Safari, our internet browser, and typing in www.isupelive.com/iSupe. When we do, we'll be given an alert that asks us if we want to install iSupe Mobile. It indicates that we can do so by pressing on the menu button below and choosing the Add to Home Screen option. When we do that, an icon and text comes up, and we'll click Add to add the iSupe application to our home screen. Clicking on the icon will launch iSupe Mobile. We'll get a loading screen, followed by a login screen. Here we'll enter our username and password to log in. One common use case is creating a new session if we're logging in with a supervisor license. To do that, we'll click on the Create a Session option. We'll enter a title, a description, a planned start time for the session. You'll notice when we click on the start time field, the iPhone's native date time picker will pop up. Finally, we'll enter a password for the session and choose to create the session. On the following screen, also referred to as the lobby screen, we'll see the session details. From here, we can choose to invite a supervisee to join our session. We can do so by filling out the following form by entering their email address here. An email will be sent to them with a link to join our session. We also have the option to look at a session transcript. We can do so by downloading the transcript in a PDF format, or we can email the session transcript also in a PDF format to ourselves or to someone else, like our supervisee. That email will contain a link to the transcript, which is good for 10 days. Here, if we choose the download option, we see the PDF in our internet browser. If we choose to email the transcript, we just fill out this form with the recipient's email address. Now that we've looked at some of the supervisor features, let's switch and log in as a supervisee. Here we can join a session by entering the session ID, the token, and the password provided to us. A list of the sessions that we belong to will appear here. We'll select a session and then enter the session. We see a chat-like interface that allows us to communicate with our supervisor in real time. If we double tap on the screen, a send message dialog comes up. Here we can choose to send a pre-configured message at the touch of a button or type in another textual message. These pre-configured message options can be customized by going to the Options menu.